You are going to love the 2026 Grand Wagoneer. The Jeep Grand Wagoneer 4x4 rocks. Easy to work on with a strong V8. A classic American 4x4. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, traction control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.